Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Throwback Thursday has come back around, guys. I'm back out here at the park. I don't know what the heck those little flags are over there. There's some flags over there in the field. I don't know what that is. Looks like they're at the other end too. Maybe they're about to do some work or something out there. But anyhow, I'm out here to fly one of my classic drones from back in the day. And this one we call the Captain America quad. The shield is a little scuffed up, but it should still work though. I haven't flown it in a while, but still intact. Got a couple battery packs out here because these battery packs are not new. Hopefully they'll work. I got a fresh 4 batteries inside here, the transmitter. So we're gonna take this guy up and I'm gonna show you guys what it does. I do have a video with this guy where something very interesting happened to me when I was flying this guy in the back alleyway. But I'll have that in the description, the link, so you can watch that video if you're curious to what I'm talking about that happened to me with this guy. But let's get it in here. Kind of scary with this power switch on the transmitter not wanting to turn on. That's how old this guy is, how long it's been sitting on the shelf. But it's in the air though. We're in low rates. Check it out. Pretty decent, y'all, in low rates. That's the pitch. So let's go to the next rate. If I can remember which button puts it in the next rate. Okay, there we go. So we're in second rate. Already a pretty sporty flyer. And it does have a third rate. And the third rate, the yaw on this thing is really crazy and fast. So let's go to the third rate. Check it out. So crazy yaw on this thing. I like to fly it on rate 2. Because on the third yaw rate, it's just a little too crazy to really bank it and everything. You guys know I like to fly around trees and stuff. And y'all's pretty good on the second rate, so you can do nice banking turns, turn on a dime, chase the squirrels up the trees and stuff. Going around the side of the trees. Well, I forgot these batteries are. And I banged out real quick. I don't even want to attempt to try to take off because I know it's gonna get stuck in the grass here. But I forgot. I need to be showing you guys the flips early with this battery. I don't know what this battery is going to do, so let's try a flip. That was a flip. Flips in all directions. Does not do diagonal flips. Let's see if we can do a multiple flip. Oh. I don't think it is. Because the accelerometer is acting really weird on me. Oh, and it might have came undone or something. Oh, it's saying that the battery's dead. That little jolt there from it crashing is telling it that the battery's finished. Let's see, hopefully the battery's not finished. I do have a backup battery though. Okay, so I don't see any lights flashing. And it's flipping, and the lights aren't flashing after the flip, so I'm gonna say that was just a fluke from the crash. You know, you know. The only thing about this guy is that it's not deviated, so you can't fly this with a professional style transmitter. No hobby grade control with it, or else that fast yaw would be usable in normal flight. Like I would be able to control it a little better on the highest rate. The added resolution and control and everything just makes these things a lot better when you can fly it with a multi-protocol transmitter. Do some crazy stuff. It's going to flip for me in there. You wanted to stop spinning before it did the flip. Try multiple flips up high. It barely recovered from it. Let's try it again. That was kind of fun. Oh, it's not doing any more flips now. It must be flashing or something. Yep, no more flips going down. Let's try a manual flip. Oh, we can do those. Must be flashing. Yes, it's flashing. So that's it. We're at the end of the pack. Pulled off a manual flip down low. Barely made it. I don't want to have to walk and get it. It's going down. Coming over. We lost it. Throwback Thursday, y'all, the Captain America quad. I'll have a link in the description to that other situation that happened in the video, another video. Thanks for watching.